Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. We've just finished a session here at Breakbulk Europe on wind power, and I have Antonio from LM Wind here with me in the studio. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's great to have you here. So first, tell our viewers a little bit about LM Wind.
Okay, LM Wind Power is the biggest independent blade manufacturer. We are producing for many of the biggest OEMs in the world. We're producing around 12,000 blades a year.
Wow.
Factories everywhere in the world, and that's what we do.
Well, that's a good business to be in right now.
It is.
So we're in this just enormous global energy transition, which is certainly of benefit to you. Tell me what are some of the challenges that you see in the market?
Well, I think one of the biggest challenges is beyond the technical challenge, which I thought in the beginning was going to be the problem, right? It is no longer a problem. The fact that we have bigger turbines. We have bigger turbines every year. A new bigger turbine comes in. That is not the problem anymore. I forgot the technical problem forever. This is not the problem.
All right.
Problem now is financial.
Oh, really?
Yes. Every time we have in my case, a new blade in the market, this means new molds, bigger factories, new equipment, new transportation systems, and so on, right? It's a rat race where we're starting to drag other industries in, like cranes, ships, and you name it, right? Because we're starting to be far beyond what is standard everywhere. And that is becoming a challenge.
Interesting. So when you're developing, say, a new blade, are you taking the transportation into account at that time? Are you collaborating with these transport companies?
I wish I could say yes. The reality is that this is not the case. And there's a couple of reasons for that. First of all, we started maybe in the 90s with blades that were 7 meters long.
Yeah.
So they were fitting on a container, right? So we are used to be a component manufacturer. We make something, we expect the customer to come and pick it up, and we forget about it, right? So in that sense, we have been pretty much an ex-works company in the worst sense of the meaning, right? And it's not only for us, LM, it is in general in the industry, right? Over the years, we started with these 7-meter blades. Now we're talking about 100 plus meter, 60 ton, something which is fluffy, that you have to handle with a lot of care, because if you twist it 3 degrees, they break. So we definitely have to start from the design to talk with the people that will carry that to the site, because the success for us is no longer manufacture a component, is that these blades twist somewhere in the other part of the world and generate energy. So it's a mindset change.
Interesting. And what kind of progress are you making in that arena?
Well, I think the industry itself, thanks to the integration, is also making some progress.
Yeah.
In our case, we were just a blade manufacturer, independent from any other OEM, so we couldn't care less, to be honest. Now we're part of GE, right? But this has happened also with other industrial conglomerates that have come in, that have also experience in other special logistics type of projects, and this is helping us to look outside. The market itself is helping us as well, because with a landed cost which is now 50% made out of logistics, if you have something designed that is not efficiently transported, this is a deal breaker at the end. So the reality itself is forcing us to start taking these steps. We're anyway in the first steps of a long marathon.
Okay, well, that is so interesting. It really is, and I love hearing how that is evolving and requiring collaboration, across different sectors. So thank you for opening our eyes to that.
Thank you.